Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Strode and this is my little introduction PowerPoint for you guys to learn a little about me. So I am 30 years old. I am married to my husband of 13 years. We have two children, Ryan and James. Ryan is 13 years old and James is 8 years old. We have two dogs. Their names are Diesel and Cammy. I live in Austin, Kentucky, which is a small community in Barron County. It's kind of on the outskirts of Glasgow. I work as a teacher's assistant through the Barron County school systems, and I also do more than that there. I am a teacher's assistant through 4th through 6th grade, and I also do progress monitoring for RTI kids, and I also do behavior monitoring for behavior kids that we have. I love what I do. I also substitute within the school when I'm needed. I have worked with all age groups from pre-K to 6th grade, and my favorite age group is probably 3rd through 5th grade. So I'm hoping that maybe after all this is over, I kind of end up somewhere along those lines. I am studying for my Associates in Science at South Central Kentucky Community and Technical College, or SkyTech, whichever one you want to call it. And I do plan to transfer over to Western Kentucky University to obtain my bachelor's degree in science for elementary education. This is actually a picture of me with one of my students who I work with. And I love my job and I love what I do. Sorry, I probably say that too much. My goals are to get through the next few semesters because this is my first semester back in a while. I had to take a break because of life, and I do plan on obtaining my degrees so I can become an elementary teacher. The two in the pictures, the one in the orange, that is my youngest son, James, and the one in the red is my oldest son, Ryan. Sorry, got a little tickled looking at his face in that one. As for hobbies, I don't really have that many hobbies. My kids usually take up all of my free time, but I am a bowling mom. My oldest son, Ryan, he bowls for Barron County, so I'm usually the one who shuttles him back and forth to games and matches, and, well, I'm sorry, matches are games, and practices. So if I do have any spare time, I'm usually spending it with my family. My husband's work schedule is also pretty crazy, so our time together is often very limited. In the picture here, you will see my husband, Timmy, and our two dogs. The white and black one is Cammy, and the little red one is Diesel. They are much like our children, and they probably keep us just as busy as our kids do. That's really all that I can think of to share. I do look forward to continuing this adventure in this class. I am really excited. I cannot wait to see what all this class holds. Just a few more things about me though. I am a very energetic person. I'm mostly upbeat, which I feel like if you're going into this profession, you kind of need to be, especially with the littles. I'm just so excited to get this started and to see where it leads me. So if you have any questions that you want to ask me, feel free to. I'm an upfront and honest person, and I'm very open. If you feel like you need help anytime throughout the semester, and if you think that I could provide that help, feel free to reach out feel free to reach out to me. I think that's all I have. Hope to see you guys soon.